Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can read posts in Instagram app without anyone knowing about it. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also be sure to put your likes under the video and write your comments. So friends, let's get on with this topic. If you have a situation where you want to read a certain message, but you don't want the person you're talking to know about it, I'm going to show you an interesting way to do it. Please open the Instagram app, and then you'll need to go to your messages section. Next, you will need to disable your cellular or Wi-Fi. To do this, swipe from the right side of your screen from top to bottom. Next, you can either just turn off your Wi-Fi or cellular network, or turn on airplane mode by tapping on the airplane icon. After that, open a correspondence with the person, and then go back up. This way, your conversation partner will not get a notification that you just read their message. Next, I recommend that you go to your page. At the top, click on the three bars. And then turn on the internet for a second. If this page doesn't load, after it loads, turn off the internet, scroll to the bottom, and hit exit. Once you've logged out of your page, I recommend that you turn the internet back on and after 20 to 30 seconds, log back into your Instagram page. This way, friends, you won't get any notifications that someone has resent you a message, and the person you're talking to won't see that you've read their message. Thus, you will read the message and remain unnoticed. This is the way, friends, you will be able to quickly and easily read any posts on Instagram without anyone knowing about it. Please, friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes, write comments. See you soon.